Hello everyone. So today our topic is how we can create a access key. Basically, there's a two purpose. Two is like multiple purpose are there for creating access key. As in the last video in the Jenkins, you can see I have used during configuration access key for EC2 instance. So if you are doing any kind of access through AWS CLI, you need to have this key with you because you're getting access. Basically, if Linux, Ubuntu, basically, I would say in the black screen, on that time you are just not getting GUI privilege, but this AWS configure will help you very easily. So that we need to go inside identity and access management. So under IAM, we need to create a user. Under the user only, we can able to create this access key. So let's deep dive and do practical. Uh, Create user. I would say I'm creating for S3, S3 user, S3 user. So I don't need the release management console. Uh, so next, attach policy. So I'm going to attach checklist policy. You can either if like in your company it happens like if you have the multiple users, so you can make a group and inside that group is add the user, so that like whatever policies are attached with that group, so it automatically goes and attach with that user. So that's why we use add user to group. Copy permissions. So these permissions like basically according to your requirement, whatever permission you want. Let's say in the SD you want just want to read, so you just go and manually select it. That's why we use copy permission. Attach policy directly is like this is default policies under AWS, so they have like bunch of policies. So you can if go and check with S3 because we're using for S3. So I will go and grab Amazon S3 full access because I want a full access in my Amazon S3. No foundation, but there's another. Sorry, guys. Just we need to create a user now here. Create user, and as you can see, in the S3 user is there. And under, if you see on the right side, create access key, CLI. I understand. So there's like different options also there if you want to go and if you're like doing for local code application running on AWS compute services, third party services, application running. So there's a different purposes are there, like it depends on for which purpose you are going to use it. As I told you, like we are doing for AWS CLI, that's why I select command line interface. So next I would say create access. Now this one is created, either you need to copy and put it that is secure place, or you can put this download.csv file. So you will get a CSV file here, and that CSV file must have your all credential, basically this access key and secret access key. So I am just opening up in my notepad. Okay. Now what we will do, we will go and uh, check it in CMD command prompt. So what we need to write, firstly AWS configure. So see, it is asking me give access key ID. So I need to just grab my ID. This is my access key ID and the secret key CS enter is fine. That's it. So we are inside, we need to check it, our bucket. Yeah, so these are all the buckets are there inside my S3 account. If we need to go and check inside our bucket itself, so we have a command for that as well. Let me grab that one. Just give me a couple of minutes. So here we need to just, let's say, grab this one. This is the bucket, and under that what all the files are there, it will come up. See, these files are present under that. So like that, now we have a full access that we can download or delete the, or like we can also insert whatever we want, we can do it accordingly. But the AWS configure is the main thing, like we need a access key. So yeah, thank you guys.